Oh, 16. That's not bad. Sorry if you hear those like arm sounds. It's because like the sounds. It's like I keep scraping my arms in the bathtub. Yeah, we have 2 more bags of powder left for 6. We can do where I just dump it in, we hand mix and do dish soap bombs, or however. Yes, it is the only powder left. There's 30 cans in here, 1 Blanca bag in here, 5 pink panelins, 2 lavender fabs, 2 watermelon fabs, and that's it. Anyone want to send $3 so we can get a dish soap in here? Anyone want to send $3 so we can get a dish soap in here? I just dropped the gloves. All we have left to sell out is 2 $6 Blanca bags and then 2 $5 dish soaps. That is my epoxy. She's too flat. Look at her. Two $6 bags of Blanca Nieves laundry powder, and then 2 $5 dish soaps. Oh, Dirty Mouth is live? Oh my gosh. I knew someone was gonna go live today. I was like, who is it? Now I know who. $5 dish soap. Thank you. Okay. $5 dish soap going in. Oh, I just got my face. Thank you so much, my love. Thank you for sending for the dish soap. I appreciate that a lot. I need to put my hair keeps coming out of my hoodie I have on. It's like not even tucked in anymore. Give me 1 second. Let me just fix this hoodie quick. So we just have two $5, well, no, one $5, what do you call it? Dish soap left. And then we have two $6 bags of laundry powder left. Here, give me 1 second, guys. I'm gonna fix my hair because it is in my face. Oh, got you.